Wow, fence is in there somewhere.
And this is March 14th, 2017.
Yeah,
Not even...
that's nothing really that scary though, because we're already in the melt.
Spring comes next week.
It's beautiful. I don't care what anybody says. Just be careful out there. Our apple tree. My 2 little apple trees, they're still alive. They're going on 3 years old. Yeah, they're doing good. I don't even cover them, they're fine. Might get apples this summer.
Hell, heck, there's 2 feet of snow on top of the deck.
I know. I ate those apple trees. Those seeds that I ate. I ate them. I ate those apples.
You ate those apple trees.
No, well, you know what I mean. Rose of Sharon tree. Oh, no, the snow. The fence is somewhere. Where is it? Oh.
What's that? Is there a fence there?
Yeah, somewhere. That tree is actually a bush that I kept pruning, and it turned into a landscaping tree. That's neat. You really can't see the bush from over here, but the bush is back there somewhere that I took that from. Yeah. It's pretty. It's beautiful. Ah! I just got showered in snow. Oh. So pretty. The little barn is you can barely see the fence. Oh God, that's so pretty. It's the whole neighborhood. Somewhere out there. Tree cover fell in the pool. I mean, pool cover fell in the pool.
Dad.
What?
That's out your son's front door to the parking lot.
Oh, really?
He put it on an hour
We've
ago.
got a lot of snow, that's for sure. It's killing a lot of bacteria and germs, though.
I know he's taking a picture of his car there somewhere.
My mom used to say that. Ah, my... That's amazing. Trying to get out the door. Ah, no going out today. Good day for stew, John.
What's that?
Good day for that stew.
Yeah, look, man. This is... Joe posted a couple hours ago, Jeremy checking his snowplow to their driveway.
Well, we have to wait for it to melt. That's why I said go out and get a bunch of groceries. We're good to go for at least a week.
Jersey lost power, but Louise just said they lost power. A branch fell on a neighbor's tree and hit the house.
Well, you gotta go with the bed, you know?
Ripped off
Bed
the
was
gutter.
good, whatever.
You hear what I said?
Mm-hmm.
Ripped off her gutter.
Yeah, I'm concerned about our roof, but I guess we'll be okay.
Hey, all our kids posted. You gotta go post. Look.
Mm-hmm.
This is Sarah's house.
Well, they're probably out playing in it.
I'm telling you, Sarah's car. Look at its cover. It's her car.
What car?
Sarah's.
What car? Pretty though. I can hear people out there shoveling. John and Juno, everybody say, I wish we had some of that snow. It'd be so